Okay, we are dealing with time under grade 4, okay? Now let's deal with the second format, which is 24 hours, okay? It is 24 hours, okay? Nothing has changed. It also has what? Seconds, it has minutes, and it has hours, okay? Now let's check again. Whenever we have seconds, the maximum of seconds we have, it can only be 60, okay? We have 60 seconds as a maximum, okay? So once it supersedes 60, we know that it's now what? Minutes and few seconds, okay? Now, whenever we have minutes, the maximum of minutes will be what? Will be 60, okay? Then the maximum of hours here, it will be what? It will be 24, okay? Now here we don't use formats like what? Like PM and AM, okay? We know that the morning starts from 00 hours going straight to what? To 12 hours. Okay, this is the morning part, okay? But the afternoon part starts from 13 hours going straight to 24 hours, okay? So this is the morning part and this is a what? An afternoon part, okay? But this format is also called what? 24 hours formats.